Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Close CRM call recordings to improve sales coaching. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Close CRM account. Navigate to the settings menu in the top right corner of your dashboard. Select the calls option from the settings menu. Locate the call recording section within the call settings. Ensure that the call recording feature is enabled. If not, toggle the setting to switch it on. Next, proceed to configure your recording preferences. Decide whether you want to automatically record all calls or only specific ones. Select the appropriate option based on your sales coaching needs. After that, save your changes to update the settings. Now, let's set up access for your sales team. Go to the Team Management section in the Settings menu. Invite team members who will benefit from call recordings. Make sure to grant them the necessary permissions to access recordings. Once the team is set up, test the call recording feature. Initiate a call through the Close CRM interface. After completing the call, navigate back to the Calls section. Here, you should see the call recorded in the list. Click on the call to listen to the recording. Review the recordings regularly for sales coaching insights. Create a schedule for ongoing review sessions with your team. Encourage team members to share their insights from the recordings. Document key takeaways from each review session. Use these insights to refine your sales strategies. Regularly revisit your recording settings as your team evolves. Adjust permissions or preferences based on team feedback. Utilize the data gathered from call recordings to enhance training programs. Monitor progress and adjust coaching techniques accordingly. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.